Hi guys, so today we will talk about integration with Notion. So we have here Notion database, and basically we need to connect it here in the make. So let's do it, and we will type Notion, and for Notion we will use I don't know, just get database item. So first things first, I have already some connections that I did, but I want to show you. So here, in order to connect your Notion with make.com, we will go here on these three dots, and then we will go to the connections. And in connections, we will go manage connections. And in manage connections, we'll go here, and develop, and it will be redirected to the profile integrations, but you will just click here on the new integration and choose your workspace, so workspace where your Notion is, and I usually take internal one because it's the internal database, and here you just add some name, so we will say make.com integration, whatever. So, and we will put here YouTube, so something like that, and just go and hit save. Then you will click here on configure integration settings, and here you need to copy this key, so show, and then click copy, and then we will go, if you need to allow something by default, you can just leave it. If you need to add some comments or whatever, permissions, you can set it and then just click here save. But for our purpose here demo, this is enough. So we have added this, and then we will go back to the make. We'll hit here connection type. Basically there are two connection types, public and internal ones. We will go for internal because integration that we have chosen is internal. And then here we will paste this token that we took from our integration. Okay, so we hit here save. And let's see if this works. So didn't complain, select from the list. And now when we click here, so nothing is happening. Reason why is because here we need to go back to the Notion. It's just like how the Notion kind of developed their UI that is at least to say puzzling, because here as you can see, if you go to share and then to invite, then it's basically people or email addresses, but you need to go back to these three dots, connection, and we have gone to this manage connections, but here see we need to type these connections that we're looking for. So make, and now we can see this integration thingy that we just created. Click here, confirm, and when we go here on connections, we should be able to see here, see this. So this here below, you can see active connection. So this is connection that we just added. We can go back now to our make.com, and now we can just refresh this and select from the list. And when we click here, select, refresh. Okay, so here it is. And now we have our database connected, or our Notion connected, and we are good to go. Okay, so that's pretty much it when it comes to the connections with the Notion. Just to recap quickly, don't forget here this, when you create a connection, basically you need to type it here, search for connections, and once you find this connection, then you confirm it, and then it should be listed here in active connection. So this is pretty much just about connection stuff. And yeah, I will also shoot, I have prepared for you guys a video for Notion and also DeepSeek, how you can manage your social media marketing or publishing posts and so on and so forth. But for now, see you in the next one. Bye.